Hello, my name is Jamie Irvin. I'm the host of the Heavy Duty Parts Report, and today I'm starting a new video series entitled Sales and Marketing Fundamentals for Heavy Duty Parts Companies. I want to review rule number 1. Stop talking about yourself and your company. Does this sound familiar? Hi, my name is John Smith, and I've been in the industry for 50 years. And the company that I work for, ABC Heavy Duty Parts, we've been manufacturing parts for 119 years. What exactly is the purpose of this statement? Isn't it really intended to instill confidence in the prospect? Look, we've been in this industry a long time. We have a lot of experience. We've been doing it for generations. We've seen the tides of change and we've weathered it all. It's really designed to instill confidence and to build rapport and trust in the prospect's mind. But do those kinds of statements, whether it's a salesperson verbally saying it or it's in a piece of marketing, do these kinds of statements actually instill confidence and build trust? Well, the answer is no. The reality is, all too often, we've heard this exact sentiment from multiple competitors. And so it doesn't stand out. In fact, it actually does the opposite of what it's intended to do. Because if you can't come up with something more original than we've been doing this a long time and we've been around a long time, then it actually could lower the perception your prospect has of you and your company. Now, what should you do? What you should do is you should focus on your customer and you should focus on their problems. The more you talk about your customer and what their experiences are, the more you talk about the problems that they have, the more confidence and trust you're going to build, because that person or that group of people who are thinking about using your products or your services are going to realize that you truly understand their situation. You have set out purposefully to solve a specific problem, a problem they have. And by demonstrating your deep understanding of their situation and their problem, they're more likely to consider doing business with you. My name is Jamie Irvin. I'm the host of the Heavy Duty Parts Report. Today we're concluding video 1 with rule number 1. Stop talking about yourself and your company. In the next video, we are going to take another step in understanding the fundamentals around sales and marketing and how you can use these fundamentals and the 5 rules in total that I'm going to share with you to increase your sales, to increase your company's performance, to do more business, meaningful business that is going to make your customers and you a success. Go over to heavydutypartsreport.com today. Subscribe to our weekly email so you don't miss out on any content. Each week we are interviewing another heavy-duty parts manufacturer or subject matter expert, and we'd love to have you there. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you soon. You can watch our next video. Make sure to click the like button, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.